No, abriré y escribí te amo.
¿Qué es? I can assure you. Our first meal at the night market, I gotta say, it was pretty good. I don't know if you noticed earlier, but when they were frying the fish, the plastic bag went into the oil, and then they just kept frying more fish. All you need to know is that here, they're serving breakfast. Now, what does breakfast look like here? All the things are golden brown. Oh yeah. This is something that looks like dirt, but actually, this is the main ingredient. The alcohol is dried out. See, now this isn't completely raw. So far, it's been cooked or steamed for about 20. Or I've seen what $100 can get me with little spending over one.
Stop in today or order online at parisbaguette.com. If you're an illegal alien, this runway is your...
Así, doblado para que te mantenga así.
¿Ya?
Fire drones that you see here attach themselves to the comet and scan it with nanotechnology developed by